What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you how to use the instant replay mode like I have here. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you're going to want to go to, we'll press ESC on the keyboard. You're going to want to go to General Options. You're going to click on General Options, and you're going to go down here to Developers. You're going to, so right now I had Developer Mode on. You're going to click Developer Mode on. You can go back to, you're going to apply and save, go back to options, go back out of that. Oh, my engine just randomly shuts off. It's somewhere over here, no. I believe it's options. But, you're going to press enable replay panel. As you can see, there is no replay. And this comes free with Microsoft Flight Simulator, so it's the actual replay you need. Enable replay panel. And let's go ahead and take off. The engine just shut off for some reason, and it's apparently not coming back on. There we go. So, to use this replay mode, you're going to want to click record. So, you can start recording. I know that's the only thing that I hate about it. So, let's go ahead and do a takeoff here from Unwick or something. Special airport. Snow is falling quite a bit. Have another person over there. Nah, we're not accelerating as fast as normal, but we have skis, of course. Okay, now we're speeding up. Ooh, beautiful ski landing gear. Is that tilted? Do we have tilted landing gear? Okay, the skis are down. Whoa! That's welcome back to another PTFS pilot video. Yeah, that's what happens when you fly out of this airport. So, if you want to go back and replay, go ahead and click stop. Go back to where your option or where you want to watch. We're going to start here. And you're going to press this button to get in and out of the cockpit. If you did not press that button, then it will keep you like your video where your screen was. Let me do that. But as you can see, it is showing us on our departure. You can go ahead and press that if you don't want to just... Yes, that's what happened to us with the window. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this for more tutorial videos, including the scenery editor and how to use that. Thank you for watching. See you again later. Bye.